So good, guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Savor with Neil. And I just got back from the gym. It's Sunday evening. I figured out of the chicken birria leftover that we have in the fridge, let's turn them into tacos, okay? So I got myself some white corn tortillas. And, okay, this is the leftover chicken birria, okay? Got some cheese, avocado, okay, leftover onion, jalapeno. All right, so I'm gonna start off by, I need some cilantro, okay? All right, I think that's it. All right, I'm gonna heat up the chicken birria. All right, so, okay. Okay, so I have this much. Okay, you guys can see that. So lots of chicken and the broth there. All right, let's heat that up. Actually, before we heat that up, let's see how many can I eat. I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna have 4 tacos, okay? So let's do this. First, I'm gonna dip these tortillas into the broth, okay? All right, let's do this. You know what? You can just actually put all these 4 in there and then you can heat it up, okay? Let's heat it up over here actually. So let that soak in for a bit. I'll check on that in a bit, okay? All right, so after a minute or two, actually let that heat up a bit and then we can take it out in a bit, okay? Okay guys, so while the tortillas are heating up in the chicken birria broth, let's start making our toppings, okay? So I'm gonna chop up some cilantro, jalapeno, some of the onions, and some avocado and some cheese, okay? All right, I hear it boiling in the background, so I'm just gonna take off the tortilla, okay? There we go, taking it out. Oh shoot, this one is way too soft, so okay, we're not gonna serve this one. Oh shoot. That one is at the very bottom, so it's gotten really soft, but the rest are still pretty okay. So I'm gonna put one more because that one broke. There we go. Okay, that one's good. All right, and we'll just put it to low heat. All right, and then let's do the jalapeno. All right. Okay, that's good. And still got no lime, but we have lemon, so we'll just go with that. Okay. Okay, a bit of cilantro, okay. Try to remove the stalk because then it'll be harder to eat. Okay, and then we just need some cheese. And we are golden. All right, for the cheese, we can put it right on here, on the tortillas, okay? Okay, I'm using Monterey Jack with jalapeno, so it's even gonna be tastier from between the tacos and the filling. So double the flavor. Just gonna cut that off and then let's just cheese it up, okay? We like it cheesy, so all right. Yum. Okay. All right, so let's do this. Let's heat this up. Okay, let's put some cheese on there. Okay. And then let's put our tortilla. Okay. Okay, let's see if this is good. Alright, looks like it's golden. Okay, so let's flip it. There we go. See, it's hard and the cheese is melted like golden brown on the tortilla. And we just let this crisp up and then we're good. Almost there, guys. And you don't want the tortilla to be wet or else it's gonna be soggy. So you want it to dry up so that it's gonna be hard when you eat it. All right, I think it's pretty much done. It's pretty crispy. Oh, that looks great. All right. That's what it looks like. Okay, here guys. Okay, now we're gonna put in our filling of the chicken birria. Look at this. Okay, grab some of this. Look at that chicken. Okay. All right, so we have something to dip it on. All right, then let's put some of our garnish. Put some onions, some cilantro, right? My jalapeno. All right, okay. Oh, wow. And some avocados, all right? Oh, you guys can't see it. There. Avocados. Just using some leftover avocados, okay? Give it some creaminess to it. All right, and some lemon, because we don't have lime, all right? All right, perfect. Here we go. Look at that. Need some sauce here. All right, let's go. Let's have this, all right? I'm gonna do this. All right, cheers, guys, cheers. So good, guys. Leftover chicken birria for chicken birria tacos. Wow, that's so good. One more dip. The cheese is so good. Crispy cheese on the tortilla. Oh, that's really good, guys. I just want to finish it. Oh, that one's messy. That was a big chunk of chicken too. So, wow. Oh my God. All right, guys. So that's it for tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like, share, or subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have like 3 more tortillas and then we'll call it a night. Okay? Thanks for joining me tonight. And I hope you guys had fun. And we'll see you guys later. And just remember, guys, keep savoring you. All right, see ya.